discussed about research paper on thermodynamic and kinetic stability of the Joseph domain closed arrangement. Evidences from replica exchange molecular dynamics. First we discuss about its background. Molecular phenomena in driving pathological aggregation in neurodegenerative disease are not comparatively understood yet. Pickler is a case of spinal cellular ascites where the conformational property of 83 and terminal region, also called Joseph domain, play a key role in first step of aggregation, having the Joseph domain and embryodonchinger property there. For the reason unaware, the immediate relationship between Joseph domain structure features and aggregation tendency may lead to a step forward in understanding the pathology and rationalized design. A cure in this connection modeling has demonstrated to be helpful in exploring the protein molecular dynamics and mechanism of following results. Conformation dynamics of the Joseph domain is here. Finally, investigating by replica exchange molecular dynamic structures able to be sharpen the microscope time scope and to provide both a thermodynamic and kinetic description of the protein conformation changes. Accessible structure conformation of Joseph domain have been identified in open, intermediate and closed like arrangement. Data indicated the closed Joseph domain arrangement are the most likely protein arrangement. The protein transition from closed over intermediate and open states were characterization by a rate constant higher than 700 Rs. This result also explains the inability of classical molecular dynamics to explore transition from closed to open Joseph domain configuration on a time scale of hazard of conclusion. This work provides the first kinetic conclusion of the Joseph domain pathway from open like to closed. That arrangement and evidence include the closed arrangement are the most likely configuration for a Joseph domain in water environment. More widely, the importance of the result is also understood, considering that the ability to provide a kinetic consumption the protein conformation changes to a static changes for both experiment and evidence appreciate